Good morning, everyone. The topic which we are going to see is shifting cultivation in world. So, the shifting cultivation is practiced by the tribal people around the world. So, it is known with different names in the different parts of the world. So, let's start to see what it is called in different parts of country, which is very often asked in examinations. In every examination we can find questions from here. Shifting cultivation in the world. So the first name is Ray. So the shifting cultivation is known as Ray in Vietnam and Laos. In Vietnam and Laos it is known by the name Ray. In West Africa it is known by the name Logan. In Mexico and Central America, shifting cultivation is known by the name Milpa. In Venezuela is a South American country. There the name of the shifting cultivation is Konuka. In Africa, in African countries like Uganda, Zambia and Zimbabwe, the shifting cultivation is known as Chete Mini. In Myanmar, the shifting cultivation is known by the name Tungya. तो म्यांमार में से तुंग्या के नाम से जानते हैं. The next is Java and Indonesia. In Java and Indonesia, we could find the name of the shifting cultivation is Huma. Again, in Indonesia, it is known by the name Ladang, which is very often asked in several examinations. Ladang. Then in Central African country Congo, the shifting cultivation is known as Masole. Okay. In Malagasy or Malaysia, it is known by the name Tawi. In equatorial African countries, it is known by the name Fang. Now again, in Mexico, it is known by the name Conul or Comile. Then it is known by the name Ichin या Ichali in Guadeloupe. In Brazil, it is known by the name Roca. It is very often asked in the exam. And in Philippines, it is known as Kagin. Now, in Sri Lanka, it is known by the name Chena. श्रीलंका में छेना कहते हैं शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन को. और थाईलैंड में इट इज़ नोन एज तमराई. अब हम देखते हैं कुछ इंडियन स्टेट्स में शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन को किन नामों से जाना जाता है. सो इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स इट इज़ नोन बाय द नेम झूम कल्टीवेशन. हम लोगों ने सुना भी होगा. देन बस्तर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन छत्तीसगढ़, इट इज़ नोन बाय द नेम दीपा. In southeast Rajasthan, it is known as Walray. In southeast Rajasthan, it is known by the name Walray. In Kerala, it is known by the name Kumari. In Himalayan belt, it is known by the name Khil. So Himalayan region में इसको खिल कहते हैं और केरला में कुमारी कहते हैं. In बुंदेलखंड मध्य प्रदेश, it is known by बेवार एंड दहिया. और साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स में इट इज़ नोन बाय द नेम ज़ारा एंड एरका. तो साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स में ज़ारा एंड एरका. आंध्र प्रदेश में इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो द नेम पोडू एंड पेंडा के नाम से जानते हैं आंध्र प्रदेश के अंदर. उड़ीसा के अंदर भी 3 नाम है, पामाडाबी, कोमन एंड ब्रिंगा. और झारखंड में जो शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन है इसको बोलते हैं कुरुवा के नाम से जानते हैं. सो आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड द लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द वॉचिंग.